Atta boy. Good girl. Yeah. Houdini, honk twice for me. Honk twice. 2 times. Come on. Can you do it twice? Good boy.
That's really funny.
Good boy. 3 times.
All right.
Yay! All right, buddy.
How'd you teach him how to do that?
Clicker training. I had a little kid that said, "Oh, that's easy." And I says, "Well, let's see you do it." So he reaches his hand over to squeeze the bulb. I says, "No, no, you got to do it with your nose." He couldn't do it.
Then make him do it again.
Houdini, honk. Honk.
That's funny.
Good boy.